Top 6 educational websites to teach you for free. Welcome to Knowledge Builder. My name is Saad. Subscribe to Knowledge Builder. Every individual is unique and so is his learning capacity. One learns better with teacher in the classroom and one can learn better through online websites. It all depends on the student and the program. In this era of digitalization, people are preferring e-learning for various reasons. People are preferring online websites more and more because of the comfort of learning a subject at their own pace. 1. Tutorials Point. Tutorials Point originated from the idea that there exists a class of readers who respond better to online content and prefer to learn new skills at their own pace from the comforts of their drawing rooms. They flaunt a wealth of tutorials ranging from programming languages to web designing to academics and much more. With their motto of simply easy learning, they provide clear, crisp, and to-the-point content on a wide range of technical and non-technical subjects without any preconditions and impediments. Their excellent software tutorials enable you to edit, compile and execute software programs in C, C++, Java, Python, Perl, PHP, Node.js, JavaScript, etc. 2. Tutorix, simply easy learning. In this era of digitalization, online learning is the best method to get an edge over the other students in the class. There are many e-learning apps in the market to choose from. Students should be wise to choose the best app in order to score better and reach to the top. Tutorials Point, which is leading as #1 in the e-learning portals in India for the past 1 decade, have extended their curriculum to even school-going kids. The expert team at Tutorials Point have come up with their next-generation learning app for K-12 students, the Tutorix, which is built with the motto, simply easy learning. They have taken extreme care about the content which cannot be seen in any other apps, ++. 3. edX. This is one of the popular websites which was founded by Harvard University and MIT in 2012. It offers high-quality courses from the world's best universities at one place. 4. academicearth.org. This website gives an array of academic options to students ranging from online graduation courses like accounting and economics to engineering subjects. They also offer niche subjects like behavioral psychology. They have collaboration with a bunch of reputed universities like Oxford, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Stanford University, etc. This portal also has videos and podcasts of all the subject to suffice the different levels of interest in students. 5. The Open Education Consortium. The Open Education Consortium, OEC, is a global network of open education institutions and organizations, which provide free educational resources and open educational models which enables international collaboration and innovation. They bring high-quality inclusive education available to learners all over the world. It has a network of hundreds of institutions all over the world with courses in about 20 languages and that too absolutely free. 6. Khanacademy. Khan Academy is a non-profit educational organization created by educator Salman Khan in 2006 and provides a set of online tools that help to educate students. This is an elaborate website with practice exercises and reading materials also and short videos. Students are provided with personalized dashboard to learn at their own pace. It provides all the traditional school subjects and moreover caters from primary school to graduation all at one stop. Math syllabus is ranging from kindergarten to calculus. The users of the website can access the content which is mainly provided in English, and this site provides content even in Spanish, Portuguese, Hebrew, Italian, Russian, Chinese, Turkish, French, German, Bengali and Hindi. Visit Khan Academy. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Knowledge Builder.